So we're gonna make a 3D card, rotate on hover. We start by having making some HTML. We make some divs, container for the card. Inside that card, we're gonna make front. And we're gonna make backside. That's all we're gonna need. We can place everything inside a div. Just call it container. And the container is going to be 100% width, right? We're gonna make some display flex flow column, justify content center, background 3. We need to make the body 2 first. Okay, so we start here. So now we're gonna make the cards. So the card needs to be perspective. I'm gonna make it 800 pixels. And we're gonna make it, place it left, transform, translate x minus 50. So why is this? First we move it 50% to the left, from left to center, but then it's gonna start in the center. Then we move it 50% of the size of the card to the right. When you move it translate x, you move the amount in percentage of how big the card is, how big the box is, the div is. So we're gonna have, this is gonna be 400 pixels, height 650 pixels. Okay. And then we make the card front. Press transform style, preserve 3D. Width 100%, height 100%. Background, let's say, what do you want, yellow or light gray? Light gray. Okay, well, there we go, there it is. Border radius 24 pixels. And this is going to be position absolute also. And this needs to be position absolute. Oh, you can have it relative also. Oh, yeah, we're gonna have to have a back face visibility hidden. I'm gonna make the card back card the same, but it's gonna be black. And it needs to be, obviously, it needs to be transform, rotate, minus 180. So what we've done now is we placed a black card behind this or over this, and we rotated it 180 degrees, so it's hidden. Its back face is hidden, so it's there, but its back face, the back of the card is hidden. So we now see the front. Okay, so when we hover the card hover, we want to see, we're gonna do a transform, rotate X and 180 degrees. Obviously I forgot to make this one, so it's gonna be like that. Card hover, and we transform the front, and we transform the back to 0 degrees. There we go. So you don't see the animation right now, but you see that when we hover, we see the back side of the card. So that works. Then we just need to put in the transition. It's gonna have to be the same for all of them. Is in, out. For example, I'm just making, you can use whatever you want there, as long as it's the same on all of them. Okay, then so obviously you want to rotate. Yeah, it's just gonna be have to be Y. We forgot to make this Y here on the back there. Okay, there we go. No, we didn't. There we go. Okay. So I'm just showing how to make this. I mean, all the other special things that you have to do to make, you know, things inside or whatever, you can do yourself. This is just to show how to make the card quickly. So you see. Hope it works and helps you.